All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another round of your favorite beverage and questions. What's today's topic? Let's talk about the Hercules Cordless 4.5 inch to 5 inch brushless angle grinder. That's right here, and I'll take it off the table. We'll talk about it. I'll show you a close-up, kind of do a little bit of a complete review. But you can see I have an assortment of them. I have a large Bosch. I got that from a friend, didn't want it anymore. I mean, that thing's a monster for large projects. And it also holds a very large wheel, about 7 to 8 inch. Now, at these garage sales and just over time, I got this DeWalt. It's an older one, and I keep a brush on there. I keep a different kind of a grinding or a brush disc or something on every one of these. This one's got a brush on it, and I made a handle for it. It was missing a handle, and I paid like $5 at a garage sale. It still works great. This one I picked up, I believe, at Lowe's when it was on sale, and I've got a cutoff wheel on that, and it works great. No problems there. Let's skip over. I got a Makita. It's got a flap wheel on it, 4.5 inch angle grinder. This one works fine too. No problems. I got a Milwaukee here. Use a Milwaukee. It's got a different abrasive wheel on there. So why do I have so many? Well, I got them cheap, really, to be honest with you. And I thought, well, the one handy thing is I don't have to stop and swap discs all the time. So this makes it kind of nice. Give me a second. I'm going to clear the table. We'll get down to talking about just the Hercules, both corded and brushless. Okay, give me just a sec. Okay, so now we're down to just the two. We've got the corded one here. I bought this a while back. It has an abrasive wheel in here for carving wood and stuff like that. This is the 11 amp. I mean, this one is powerful and it's nice. I've really enjoyed, having this one. But the focus of this is on the brushless. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna show you a slideshow right now, and I'm gonna take you through some pictures of this. Then we're gonna come back and I'll do questions and answers here. So give me just a sec. Let's do the slideshow on both. Okay, let's start off with what you get with it. You get the handle. Of course, you can put it on the right or the left. You get an abrasive wheel with this. Nice for, for them to throw it in. For grinding projects and stuff to get you kind of started. 2 batteries. The weight's not bad on this. It's pretty good, and I really like the grip. Like I said in Justin's video, over like the other Hercules here, it's got a big fat body on it, or a fatter body. So this is nice, to hold this. Okay. How much is this? $99.99. Okay, what's the charger cost? $65. Well, $64.99, and none of these have discounts applied to them, and the charger, of course, is $29.99. Now, what is the charger? The charger is right here. You also get a spanner wrench with this for taking the wheels on and off. But battery charger is kind of nice. It prevents overcharging. You can wall mount this, if you want to. It charges fairly fast, because I charged this battery the other day when Justin was down here, and the charger, it'll either charge 12 volt or 20 volt, either one, and it's got the indicator lights on here. So this is nice right here, the charger itself that Hercules has. What about the battery? The battery here that's in it right now, 20 volt, 5 amp, says it lasts 2 times longer. I suppose that'll depend on how aggressively you use it, but these are lithium batteries. This right here is the Easy View fuel gauge, so it tells you how much battery life you have when you're using it. Okay, now, do I use grinding wheels? No, I use the abrasive flat discs, and I get mine from Benchmark Abrasives. I'll leave you the link below. It's pretty well balanced. So like I said, 4.5 or 5 inch wheels. It's got the spindle lock on it right here, the black button. It's got the quick guard adjust. I like that because if I'm grinding, I can move this guard to whatever comfortable position I want to stop the sparks and metal from flying at you, and it's real fast and easy to do. Now, this is unlike the other ones that I showed you previously where I have a screw, I have to unscrew it, position it, tighten the screw, a little bit of a pain. So this is nice. Now, this is also on that Milwaukee that I have, and it's also on the corded Hercules. So that's a nice little feature. Slide switch is right here on top. On. And it's got that quick stop, which is nice. How many RPM? It says 8,500. And it's got the cleaning air vents down here, both sides. I mean, another nice added feature, really. You could actually keep these clean with a blowgun, blow them out or whatever, or it actually clears the debris out on its own, but depending on what you're using it for, wood dust, stuff like that could build up in and around it maybe if you're sending it down, so it's easy to clean. All metal gearing, it says. Okay, I believe it. I'm not going to tear it apart. I mean, to find out. It's got soft start, and you know, it's pretty smooth as far as the soft start goes. Warranty, 90 days. Okay, now, what are the likes and dislikes? I use this. I had something I had to grind that was up on the roof near an air conditioning system. I didn't want to drag out a ton of cord. So for mobile kind of work or job sites and stuff like that, this is handy as hell, I think. I really do. But I would tell you to get two 20-volt batteries. That's my first tip on this, because depending on usage, if this one starts to wear down on you quick and you have the indicator light, you know that you have another backup to slap in here while you put the other one on the charger. And like I said, they charge fairly fast. That way you can keep working. Comes incredibly handy for something that you need in the sense of being mobile. Now, I didn't apply any discounts to the prices. So what do I think advantages and disadvantages? If you're mobile or you need something without a cord, this is a great way to go. This thing's very powerful. I used it for a good part of the day yesterday, grinding some metal that I had welded, and it was holding up fine. And I used the disc here that was on it. And actually, this Hercules disc, I'm kind of impressed. I mean, it's got some oomph to it. I mean, it's lasted quite a while. Still lasting, still looks new. But like I said, I do favor, you know, the sanding flap wheels, I mean, over using this kind of an abrasive wheel, but that's just my preference. Okay, dislikes. Okay, you're gonna spend, let's use round numbers, you're gonna spend, without discounts, you're gonna spend $100 on the grinder, you're gonna spend $65 on the battery and another $30 on the charger. That brings it up to $195 plus tax. So kind of pricey unless you are able to get these at discounts and drive the price down. Okay, now let's compare that to the corded version, but like I said, you're not as mobile, right? So with this is 70 bucks. Okay, now I got this quite a while back and I got it a lot cheaper, and this is, like I said, the 11 amp one. Now, I mean, you can get the lesser, of course, and pay a little bit less, but I would tell you, save your money between the two corded ones and get the 11 amp. This thing's got power behind it. I mean, it really does. And as long as you got electricity, the power is continuous, right? I like this. So would I buy this? Yeah, if I was like somebody that needed to use this tool in a more mobile way, you bet I would. This is a nice tool. I have it right now just for demonstration purposes. This one actually belongs to Justin, and he'll be coming down to get it back. He wanted me to give it, you know, kind of a look over, see what I thought of it, use it. Do I think it's better than the other DeWalt one that he had and he bought quite a while back? Yeah, it is. We use that on a utility trailer he had. I did a bunch of welding and we went along, and that thing was a dog. I mean, that thing, that battery didn't last. I don't even remember. I didn't time it. I told him, package it up, take it back. I mean, don't even bother. Now, of course, they've come a long way, and that's been a couple of years or more ago, and they weren't lithium batteries. But now with lithium batteries and the 20 volt, this thing has got power behind it. I mean, and it will do the job for you right, I believe. All right, that's a kind of a quick overview on the Harbor Freight, you know, brushless. And so somebody said, how does it come packaged? Well, I didn't do an unboxing because a lot of times I find unboxing to be kind of boring, really, to be honest with you. That's me. But here's the box it comes in, right here. And I've already given you a slideshow. That's just my advice. Those are my opinions on stuff. Of course, if you've got, or you differ from what I'm saying, drop it in the comment below. But if you're going to look around for a good brushless angle grinder, this is the way to go. It's a very nice tool. Like I said, lightweight, well balanced, all of that. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. And like I said, if you know of something better and a better deal, drop it in the comment below. Otherwise, think about it like this. Cyber Monday's coming up soon. This stuff should go on sale. If not, Christmas is coming up. And Harbor Freight always offers sales right and left, and they always give you a 20% coupon. But take a look and put this like on your wish list or something if you're interested in this. Wait for Cyber Monday, wait for those Christmas sales, wait till that price comes down, get a little bit of cost savings, and go for it. Nice tool all the way around. You folks have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.